Could you explain to our audiences what does personalization mean?
Yeah, sure, Kaustuv. Thanks for inviting me to one more podcast. So, personalization is the practice of tailoring or modifying one or more aspects of product experience.
Okay.
And the idea here is you want to meet the unique needs, wishes, expectations, preferences of each user.
Right.
That's the ideal. You want to try to hit that benchmark. So that's personalization in a nutshell.
All right. All right. So, why do you think personalization matters in general?
Well, the answer for that is as an owner of an app, whether you are in a product role or in a marketing role, your KPIs are to generate the most value for the business.
Right.
So personalization is basically a really good means to that end.
Okay.
And why I'm saying that is, if you cannot build value for the users, you cannot capture that value. The old saying goes that first you have to create value and then you can capture it.
Okay.
So you've already built a product, so that already has some value because you've solved some problem or you're meeting some aspirations of your users. Now the question is, what's the relationship between the user and that product going to be like? That's the second piece of the puzzle. Right? So that is where personalization steps in and creates even more value so that although you've built a product which is just common to all users, when the user begins to use that product, it doesn't feel like it's built for someone else.
Okay.
Right? So it creates that comfort factor and the fact that, oh, it looks like this is for me.
Hmm.
And that's a priceless thing to create because once that emotion is built, you can really capture a lot of value from that. Users will come back to your products again and again. So that's the reason why it really matters.